Hi. Last year, I was on movie posters. Today, I'm sitting alone in my room, starting from scratch, and honestly, I've never felt more alive. Hi, I'm Ria, and this is not a productivity video. This is not a glow up video. In this video, I'm not going to rant about Bollywood, or actually, I can, and I will in another video. 2025 is halfway over, and I don't know about you, but this has been the year that has shook me, stretched me, and honestly saved me. So, today I'm doing a half year checkpoint, not just to reflect, but also to ask you one simple question. Are you working from your soul, or are you working for the world? And if you're still watching, hi, you are definitely hired at Soul Incorporated. Keep watching the video to find out what that is. Let's rewind to last year. My film had just released in cinemas. I was on the big screen. I was doing promotions. I was giving interviews. Literally heroine wali feeling. My relatives were like, "Beta, you've made it. Ab shadi kab karni hai?" But this is where the story flips. See, from the outside, everything looked perfect, but from the inside, it was giving poo from K3G, but make it depressed. One random Thursday, I think I was driving home from shoot or something, and I just couldn't breathe. So I stopped the car on the side of the road. I rolled down the windows and I found myself saying, there has to be more to life than this. What am I doing? And no, it wasn't just a midlife crisis, it was a soul crisis. Turns out making it in the world doesn't mean you've made it in here. So I left, I packed my bags, I went back home to Bangalore. No plan, no job, no PR team. And nobody talks about this. But I will. My relatives, my family were not understanding. They were like, movie to chal rahi hai na beta? And I was like, yeah, but my mental health is flopping harder than Race 3. So, मैं तो फिल्मी लड़की. I decided I'm going to start writing my own coming of age arc. I read The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I started waking up early. I deleted Instagram. I watched every single sunrise. Took walks without music or my headphones. Journaled every day like I was Rupi Kaur. It wasn't aesthetic. It was not easy, introspective, lonely, but it was very, very important. In that silence, I met the real Ria, who I was covering up with makeup and Nita Lulla outfits. Are you ready for the plot twist? Last year, I was hustling 24/7, saying yes to everything. I was falling sick every 3 weeks, and on the outside, I was smiling, but on the inside, I was spiraling. This year, I'm saying no like it's my full time job. I'm creating instead of chasing. I'm alone, but not lonely. And I'm not waiting for anybody to cast me. Instead, I'm casting myself as the CEO of my life. Even though I lost people this year, even though I cried for my cat, even though I had a breakup, it still feels like the best year of my life. It's because this year I joined a new company called Soul Incorporated. Don't worry, मैं कोई subscription नहीं चिपका रही हूँ. It's an entirely made up name, just for fun. Forget startups, forget Bollywood, forget the algorithm. My soul has become my boss. And ever since I started thinking like this, my life has changed. Soul Incorporated is the best place to work. It's a workplace for your soul, entirely made up by me. You want to apply? Here's how it works. Step 1, read the job description. I know I keep saying this in every video, but honestly, sit alone, without music, without reels, and listen to your thoughts. What excites you? What doesn't excite you? What do you really care about? And most importantly, what drains you? If you have ever felt like life looks good but feels empty, this one is for you. Number 2, see if you align with the company culture. Are you operating from your soul, or are you operating based on something that society, your parents, or your ex wants you to operate out of? You're not crazy. You're just misaligned. Trust me. Step 3, interview round. Close your eyes and interview yourself. Ask yourself questions like, if life had no judgments and nobody was looking at me, how would I function? What would you stop doing immediately? Number 4, daily meetings with your boss. This is your solo time, your meditation, your journaling, whatever you want to do alone. HR check ins with your higher self. Yes, I'm the girl who left Bollywood to become a spiritual HR intern apparently. मैं बहुत फनी हूँ, धीरे धीरे आपको पता चलेगा. Step 5, promotions, my favorite. every time you do well, which is every time you are in alignment with your soul, you get bonuses like clarity and a promotion like inner peace. You will feel it. Your body will know it. Honestly, if somebody had told me all of this last year, I would have laughed and then I would have blocked them. I would have been like, okay, but I want to fix my life. Can you just give me the formula? Babe, there is no formula. Truth is, on the internet, you will find 500 habit trackers, vision boards, productivity tools, but none of it is going to work if your soul is not on board and aligned with what you are doing. Are you with me? If you start seeing everything from your soul's point of view, it becomes easier. Your passion, purpose, this and that, ये सारे words ना fade out हो जाते हैं. It definitely takes work and practice, but if you do the things that I'm telling you to do, you will get that clarity. So here's my half year checkpoint for you. Are you still trying to be the best, most polished version of your LinkedIn bio? Or are you really ready to go and see what else life has in store for you? It's not about quitting your job and going to the Himalayas or doing anything drastic unless that's what you actually want to do. It's about living 1 inch closer to your real self every day by small, consistent, aligned actions with your soul. Because when you start working for Soul Incorporated, you stop surviving for everybody else and then magic happens. I'm starting a business. I'm the healthiest that I've ever been in my life and I love myself more than I ever did. Most importantly, I don't give two ducks about what anyone thinks of me. And that is so liberating. There were times last year when I didn't feel like getting up from my bed. And now, your life gets fixed when your soul gets found. Period. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. From heroine to human being, from hustle to healing, from I hope they pick me to I pick myself. If you want my help to do a soul audit, let me know in the comments. I have a few ideas. And also comment below your fictional role if you were to work at Soul Incorporated. Mine is Chief Vibe Officer, thank you very much. And if you're ready to join Soul Incorporated, consider this video as your offer letter. I'll see you at the next meeting. Peace out, employees. And hey, take care of yourself.